Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the Nethogs. It is actually a monitoring Linux networking monitoring tool, or you can say Linux network traffic monitoring tool. So for that, open the terminal. First of all, we need to install that package. Okay, so I'm going to install that package. Sudo apt update. First of all, run this command to update your repository. After running this command, we are going to install Nethogs. This is a monitoring tool used to monitor Linux network traffic users per process. Okay, so I will show you how you can monitor your Linux network traffic. Clear the screen using clear command, then install the package sudo apt install Nethogs. Okay, and that's it. This command will download and install the package from the internet. Just wait. You can see downloading has been started and done. Okay, so we have successfully installed Nethogs tool inside our Ubuntu Linux machine. Now this time I'm going to show you how to use this. So if you want to launch this program, simply type sudo nethogs. Okay, and you can see it will show you all the net monitoring, all the process and whatever internet they are using. You see at the last sent and received. If you see at the last sent and received, let me open the browser and do some browsing stuffs. Okay, suppose like I search YouTube. Okay, and I search YouTube, and in YouTube I search suppose Satish Tiwary. Okay, so when I search Satish Tiwary, this you can see this is my YouTube channel, but at the same time you can see what happening here. You can see so many internet received. You can see 158 kilobits per second. You can see this one, and this is Satish Firefox, opened by the Firefox. I have opened the Firefox, and you can see this is happening here. So if you are using anything, you can see the process using Nethogs. Now press Ctrl C to stop this. Now what I want to see, I want to check the IP address of my system. Actually I want to see the interface, so I type sudo ifconfig, and now you can see this is my interface. If you want to like monitor and like a specific device, you can see a specific interface, you can do that using sudo nethogs, and then you have to give the name of the interface, that is enp. Here is 0s3. okay, you have to type this one, and you can see it's monitoring that interface. If you want to monitor multiple interface like this one, like en, and then you also want to interface like loopback device, then you want to scan or monitor the eth0 or eth1 interface, you can type multiple interface at a time. It's optional. Okay, so you can do that also. Now if you want that when you see this process and when you monitoring all this, you want to refresh all these logs every 5 seconds, you can run the command sudo nethogs, and then you type -d5. This is 5 seconds. Okay, it means after every 5 seconds it will refresh itself. Okay, so whatever you doing and whatever you surfing, whatever website you are visiting, okay, this tool will refresh itself every 5 seconds. So within every 5 seconds it will refresh, keep refreshing itself every 5 seconds. So it's all depend on you what is the refresh time you want to set. If you type here in place of 5, if you type 10, then it will refresh itself every 10 seconds. If you type 50, then it will refresh itself every 50 seconds, and that's all. This is very easy to use tool. You can very easily use this tool for monitoring Linux network traffic. Okay, so if you want to monitor Linux network traffic, you can use this tool. Thank you for watching. I hope it will help you.